head, probability of head. Coming upside, probability head coming upside. So this is basically general. You have studied this probability at your BSc level, so we are not going in detail. So we are going to study now probability distribution. Okay, so now we are going to study probability distribution. Now this probability distribution, now let's play a game of tossing. A coin 100 times. Now in this, what we are going to do, a coin, we are taking one coin and then this coin will be tossed for 100 times. Then we have to observe what events will occur when we toss a coin for 100 times. Now the probability of head on upper side may be 50%, that is 50 times. Okay, if we toss this coin for 100 times, for once we are tossing this coin for 100 times, then the probability of head occurs maybe 50%, means 50 times head will come or head will occur 50 times. Okay, or maximum also or minimum also, like. Okay, the probability of getting the head on upper side may be probability of getting head on upper side may be 30 times, 40 times, 35 times, whatever. All 100% chances that head will come for once or for 95 or 99 times. Okay, so if we plot the graph of head occurring on upper side, if we plot a graph of head occurring on upper side like this, on y-axis we are taking number of games, on x-axis this is number of heads. Okay, x, y, these are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Okay, and the number of games are suppose 5, 10, 15 and more. Okay, so number of heads occurring 10 times, less chance is there. Okay, suppose less chance is there, then number of heads 20 times, probability increases that we will get 20 times heads on the upper side. Okay, then again 30 times probability is will be chances is more than 20 times, then this 40 also maximum chances. Then what about 50% is the maximum chance that we will get head on upper side, this is maximum. Now 60 times heads is less than 50 times. Getting 60 times head on upper side is less than getting 50%. Okay, like this. Then similarly this is also like this, this is like this, this is like this and this is like this. So this is the probability, or this is the number of times we are getting head on upper side. 10 times, 20 times, 30 times, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. This is the common sense that 100 times heads will be upper side, practically it is less, that is it is less. Practically it is not possible that we will getting 100 times heads on 100 times. Okay, so if we draw this curve like this, if we join these upper points of each and every column, then we will get curve like this, like this. So this curve, so this curve will look like this. Okay, so this curve will look like this. This is the maximum probability of event. So this